exposing the secrets of creating gorgeous websites with Figma. You're just 60 seconds away from mastering web design. First, open Figma and start a new design file. Name it something catchy. Use the frame tool to set up your pages. Think desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now, sketch out your layout and set up a grid system for structure. Use columns and rows to keep everything aligned nicely. Next, dive into typography. Pick readable fonts, set up text styles, and save them. Define your color palette and save those colors too. Add visuals, images, icons, shapes, and elements. Make them pop. Create reusable components for buttons, nav bars, and more. Switch to the Prototype tab to make it interactive. Link elements, set actions, and add animations. Finally, invite collaborators, gather feedback, and export your assets. Boom! You've designed a website in Figma. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.